Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to change the background color in the Twitter fleet. First, let's open the app. Then I'll simply select add to create a new fleet. Then I'll select text, and you can write anything you would like. After you have done that, you'll simply press the circle right beside the two A's in the bottom left hand corner. And by doing that, you will see that the background colors change and it gives you numerous options. As you can see here. And after you have found a background color that you like, you can simply finish writing your fleet and then post it by pressing fleet in the top right hand corner, and that's it.